Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life, good person. Live and alive, my location now is here in SM Annex, Ecoland, Davao City. I am a new user of Dito Telecommunity. So this is my first time to touch down their store, their office here in Annex SM Ecoland. And for this morning, I have heard they have their new, what's that, ma'am? Features. So I would like to interview Sir Guard. Sir, what's your name, sir?
SG Cordero po.
SG Cordero. So many Corderos in lang. I'm a retired teacher and just starting my vlog. Mabuhay channel, yeah. Thank you for welcoming me. So, sir, what are the new features of Dito for information of those? Ma'am, what are those features? So, it's about what? Just tell me, sir. This one? Oh, sige. They have their Dito level up with the most affordable prepaid 5G. Right now, I have my, what's this? You call this one the level up 50 pesos load. So that's why I'm here for the documentation. So we have postpaid plan for everyone. You're also accepting, ano sir, home credit for. You don't have a cell phone here, just load cell phones. Cell phones are available, di ba? Cell phones are also available for installment. Okay, so this is the plan of the Dito now. They have their 4,000, what's this? 900? Oh, that's the price already. So almost 5,000. Postpaid plan. Yeah. So this is not prepaid, postpaid. You have to pay. This one? Okay. Okay, these are their latest features. Cash out flex plan. Okay, we'll just have take videos or glimpses of this. Welcome lahat dito. Okay, Wi-Fi prepaid. Can I ask a copy of this? One. And how about this one, sir? Iba ito? Okay.
So 5D.
Okay, so this is their Wi-Fi only 5G. 500 Mbps, 745 monthly. Wow, for only 6 months. So this is their new features now, or their how do you call this one? New offerings, no? Yeah, features. Prepaid. Okay, activate Dito and dive into a world of entertainment. Okay, so this is it. Invite our viewers, sir.
Hello, ma'am, sir, please subscribe to YouTube channel of Madam
Rendon, Ma'am Bing Rendon. And also promoting our Wi-Fi, prepaid, all Dito products. What else? Postpaid. Yeah, so come now, here in second floor, Annex building, SM Ecoland, Davao City, for your really well accommodation here in Dito. Thank you, sir. Please subscribe, Sir Cordero. Yeah, I will also get your Facebook account. Okay, afterwards. So what are you waiting for? Kamabuhayers, come now to Dito store here in SM Ecoland, Davao City. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining me, my vlog for today. I am your Mabuhay channel. No other than retired teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rendon. Live and alive here in second floor, SM Annex, Davao City. Long live, good person, good life, good person. Mabuhay! And good morning in the afternoon. Yes, good morning in the afternoon for business-minded people. Don't forget, if what you have done is not excellent, you have done nothing, If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. God is good all the time. Thank you kay Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers and my ka dito. Until my next vlog, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, signing off. Mabuhay!